one worships you. Why are you scared of smoking pot when no prejudice is true? Why should you eat your plate clean when the rain's already gone? And what's the use of suicide if all this shit keeps going on? Let's feel, let's do what we don't wanna do. Let's get queer, let's fall in depression and always be blue. Let's feel. What makes me striving all the time to everyone to be polite? Why should I turn my interest to what people think that I don't like? Why should I focus working hard? Hardly working is my style. And what's so bad about my life that I regret once in a while? Let's feel, let's do what we don't wanna do. Let's get queer, let's fall in depression